Welcome to exercise 5 of the Alibre practice parts. Let's start by sketching on the XY plane. And I can get started using the line tool and sketching out our basic profile. Of course, paying attention to the automatic constraints that make sketching so much easier. Next, I'll simply add a horizontal here and there. Okay, now that we have the basic shape created, we can give this a height of 5. I can give this 15. This would be 24. This would be, looks like we have an automatic constraint. So I'll simply highlight that and click delete. And now I can give this its own dimension. We'll go with 8. And then from here up to here, we can go with 14. From there to there, we'll give that a height of 8. And then I can simply add a collinear between these two lines, as this is 8 as well. Then I can give this an overall length of 115, and we are fully defined. We'll deactivate the sketch and choose Revolve. I can choose my revolution axis here. And with this revolution complete, I can grab my XY plane again. We'll activate a 2D sketch, and I'll make a rectangle. From here, we'll go 50. And then how about from this edge to this line, we'll give this a distance of 7, and I can reset my view. And then I can give this a height of 9, and then I'll choose a horizontal relation and make this top point and this point here horizontal. We will deactivate, we'll choose extruded cut, and we'll say through all. Next, I want to focus on making holes, as that's a very important thing to do. We'll grab this face, we'll grab our hole tool, and we'll wait for it to come up. There it is. We'll grab a countersink, and I'm going to dimension this to be, in fact, you know what? I can even click to place these holes so we can see the dimensions update in real time. We'll give this bottom part 2.37, and instead of 5 here, we'll change that to 7. And then we'll make this something like 4.11. And you can see the real preview that we're dealing with. Next, I want to make sure that I have my hole dimensions, so I'll reset my view. We'll move this out of the way, and we'll grab a horizontal, and I'll choose relative to my origin. I'll make this hole center horizontal, and this hole center horizontal. Next, I'll dimension them relative to that edge. We'll get this hole center a dimension of 21, and then we'll go from here to the next one, a dimension of 25. I'm going to click OK here, and that applies our holes. So I hope that this was helpful. Thank you for tuning in. This is exercise 4, and I'll see you, or exercise 5 rather, and I'll see you in the next exercise.